Like most days, I carried the kayak and gear out of the Batoka gorge. As I look around this beautiful place, I wonder how much will the dam take from us, whether our lives be better or worse. From now, nobody knows the big man and their dam lives if or unknown. I hope the people and the mighty Zambezi River are not victims of greed and unnecessary development.
Take it off, take it in, take off all the thoughts of what we've been. Take a look, hesitate, take a picture you could never recreate. Write a song, make a note for the lump that sits inside your throat. Change the locks, change the scene, change it all, but can't change what we've been.
The epic journey to walk up here to the Minus Rapids on the mighty Zambezi.
It's okay if it's gone. The thoughts that you had, it was the one. And oh, what is left for all those times? Is that what you get? Oh, God, this walls get painted anyway. Oh, you got in the gates, but it all got away. Your Trotman's in my head. 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 Take it all, take it in, take off all the thoughts of what we've been. Take a look, hesitate, take a picture you could never recreate. Write a song, make a note for the lump that sits inside your throat. Change the lights, change the scene, change it all, we can't change what we've been. Your Trotman's in my head. 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 Take it off, take it in, all the thoughts of what we've been. Take off all the thoughts of what we've been.
My name is Mukumba. I'm from Machenje village and I'm doing the job. My job is being a porter, carrying some kayaks and gear in the gorge. Yeah, we heard that they are building the dam, but we don't know if the dam can be affect our job and our culture, because we don't know what's gonna be happen when the dam could be done, but we don't know in how many years could be take to be finished. We don't know. We're still looking forward maybe what's gonna be there.